This is the second lesson of linear equations and inequalities, and here I will show you how to solve the equation. And again we are discussing one variable linear equation. So the question is, find the value of x that satisfy the linear equation, right? So here we have a variable x. If you have a variable y, z, a, b, c, whatever, the same way you have to solve the equation. So see, the question is 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 5. As I have told you in the last lesson that this is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side of the equation. This is called one expression. This is also an expression. There are two terms, 4x individually it is called term and this is second term, same thing, two terms here. So here we are going to use the transpose method, and I have told you what is the meaning of transpose method. See, this is minus negative 2 here on the left hand side and here is the positive 5. So we will transpose this 3x to the left hand side because we already have x here, or we will transpose negative 2 from left hand side to the right hand side. This is called the transpose, right? All the terms with x should come on one side and all the constant we will take to the other side of the equation. So start from here. This is 4x. We will put equal to here. When this negative 2 will go to the other side of the equation, this is the equation and it is negative 2, the sign will change. Keep in mind this is called the transpose. When we will move the term from one side of the equation to the other side, the sign will change. If it is negative sign, it will change to positive. It is positive, it will change to negative. And I will also show you what to do with the division and multiplication as well. So on this side it will be positive 2 and this 5, positive 5 is already there. It's up to you. If you want, you can write down positive 5 or 5 is okay, because if there is no sign it means it is positive. So 5 plus 2. Now see, this is the 3x and there is no sign, it means there is positive. So transpose, bring this 3x to the other side of the equation. Now this 3x is coming here, it is positive 3x. When it will come to the left hand side, it will be negative 3x. So simple. All the term with x you have to bring on one side, either this side or this side. Usually we will write down on the left hand side, and all the constant you have to write down on the other side. So see, 4x minus x is equal to x because this is positive and this is negative. So 4x negative 3x equal to x. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and this is the answer. So simple. And as I have told you, that the beauty of these questions are you can check your answer whether these answers are correct or not. How you will check it is 4x minus 2 equal to 3x plus 5. This is our question. Now we know that the value of x, value of this variable is x, sorry 7. So put this 7 wherever you will find out x in this equation. So we have here x and here x. And what is the relation between 4 and x? Multiplication, right? So 4 multiplied by 7 minus 2 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 plus 5. 7 4 times 28 negative 2. This is 7 3 times 21 plus 6. 28 minus 22 is equal to 26. This is 26. If both sides are equal, it means our answer is correct. This is transpose, right? We solve this question with the help of transpose, but as I have told you, there are other methods as well, but this method is fine because in your book we have to use this method. Now this is very simple question. 4x is equal to 8. Again we have to find out the value of x, right? So here we have to eliminate this 4. And first of all, you have to see what is the relationship between this 4 and x. This is multiplication. As there is no sign between them, it means multiplication. So if there is multiplication, just the very simple way is to find out the value of x. Whatever is the coefficient is 4, and just divide it, because this is multiplication, the opposite is division, so divided by 4. Whatever you have to do on one side, same thing you have to do on the other side of the equation as well, divided by 4. So this 4 will cancel this. Here is only x. So x is equal to 4 1 time 4, 4 2 times. So x is equal to 2, and this is the answer. So simple. Again, we can check this whether our answer 2 is right or wrong. So what you have to do, this is our question, 4x is equal to 8. Wherever you will see x, you have to write down 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 4 2 times 8, 8 is equal to 8. Left hand side and right hand side both are equal. It means our answer is correct. Right? This is the very simple way, but there are other ways as well. I will show you here, but we will use this, right? Later we will use this. 4x is equal to 8. This is the another method. So see here, the relationship between 4 and x is multiplication. They are multiplying each other, right? So what you have to do, when this 4 will go to the other side of the equation, so the opposite of multiplication is division. 8 will remain the same, this 4 will go here. So 4 1 time 4, 2 times 8, x is equal to 2. This is the other way, right? So be sure that you understand when to transpose and when to divide. We transpose terms from one side of the equation to the other side. We divide to remove a coefficient in front of the variable. When you have to divide, whenever there is a coefficient attached with the variable, and in order to eliminate that coefficient, you have to divide both sides, right? But this transpose, when we move the term, this is called transpose. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel as well, and thanks for watching.